If you're buying in the Hudson Valley and wondering whether an open house is enough, here's the difference between an open house and a private showing and when each one makes sense. Open houses and private showings are not interchangeable. They do different jobs. Buyers often ask whether they should just hit an open house or book a private showing. The answer is it depends on what you need from the experience. I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through what each format is actually good for, where each one falls short, and how to use both more strategically in your Hudson Valley search. Open houses are great for quick pattern recognition. Open houses can help buyers get exposure fast. You can see how a home feels, compare options, and build instincts. For buyers early in the search, open houses can be a useful way to sharpen taste and understand trade-offs quickly. Open houses help build context. But that same speed is also the limitation. Private showings create better evaluation conditions. When you're more serious, you usually need more space to observe clearly. A private showing gives you a calmer environment to pay attention to layout, setting, light, flow, and questions that matter to you. That doesn't automatically make it better in every situation, it just makes it more useful when the goal is real evaluation, not broad sampling. Private showings are better for deeper assessment. And here's the part buyers often miss. The format should match the stage you're in. Not every house deserves the same level of attention from you. Early stage browsing and serious consideration are two different stages. Use open houses to build market feel. Use private showings when a home is legitimately in the running and you need a cleaner read. Use the right format at the right stage. There's also an emotional side to this that matters. Crowded energy can distort your read. A busy open house can make a home feel more urgent, more desirable, and more chaotic than it actually is. Sometimes that energy is informative, sometimes it's just noise. A private showing lets you separate the house from the crowd effect and evaluate the home more on its own merits. Crowd energy is not the same as clarity. If this helped, you'll love my step-by-step buying process video because it shows you how touring decisions fit into the bigger buyer timeline. Tap that next. And if you want a more strategic home search plan, click the link in the description and pin comment below.